This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom Crypto. Bloom is a powerful decentralized protocol designed to give you control over your identity and financial data. It operates on the blockchain, offering a secure way to manage personal information. The main goal is to reduce the high risk of identity theft and provide billions of people worldwide with better access to credit and financial services, regardless of their location. To begin your Bloom journey, first download the Bloom mobile application, available on major app stores. Once installed, you will register your account using a verified phone number and email address. This initial setup is crucial for creating your unique Bloom ID, which is your secure global digital identity. You'll provide verifiable credentials, giving you full control over what information is shared and with whom, enhancing your privacy. Bloom offers 3 core components for financial empowerment. Bloom ID allows you to securely share verified personal data with lenders, reducing identity theft risks. Bloom IQ then tracks your debt obligations, creating a comprehensive and portable credit history. Finally, your Bloom score provides a dynamic, inclusive indicator of your creditworthiness, adapting to your financial maturity. This system helps you access compliant loans and financial services globally. Using Bloom provides several key advantages. You gain unprecedented control over your personal data, drastically lowering the risk of identity theft, which costs billions annually. Your credit profile becomes globally portable, allowing you to access financial services across borders without rebuilding your history. Furthermore, Bloom leverages blockchain technology, ensuring your data remains private, secure, and resistant to breaches, offering peace of mind in a digital world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.